Hi my loves, in this video I'm going to teach you how to properly upload your YouTube channel banner using your mobile phone in 2 ways. So let's dive right into it.
So quickly go over to Chrome and type in YouTube Studio and search. So on this place now, long press on it. It's going to open this place. It's going to show you this place. Click on open in new tab like this. So go to this place. Go to this place. It's going to show you our new tab. Click on the new tab. We are going to be seeing our channel in the desktop format in the new page. So now what we do next is to click on customization. Let me zoom it so that you can see it properly. Click on customization on the left side of your new channel page. That is this place. Click on customization. Click on it. It's going to take you to channel customization. Now we have to go over to branding. Click on branding. This place. This is another place we come to put our profile picture, our channel banner, and our video watermark. What we do now is to change our channel banner. Click on change, or you can click on remove. So go to your image and select the image or the YouTube banner like this. Done. Okay, yeah, this is what it will show you. Customize banner art. So right now it has entered the rectangle box and all our texts are inside this box right here. This one I'm pointing at. Okay, make sure all your text is entered into it, and your image. If it does not enter, go back to the app you use for the design and reduce the text and the image. Okay, and re-upload it back. So our texts are inside this box now. All of them entered inside this box. So what we do now is to press done. After pressing done, go to publish. Click on publish. The banner is going to change. Okay, another step, or the second step, is to upload through our YouTube app. So on our YouTube app, click on YouTube app here. Click on it. Once it opens, or once it's loads, you check the down part of your mobile phone. You will see home, short, subscription, and you. Then click on you here. That place your picture is. Click on it. Go to view channel. Click on the view channel. Once it loads up, it's going to show you your channel page. It's going to show you your channel page. So on this your channel page, you will see manage video and analytic. You will see a pencil icon. So click on the pencil icon beside analytic. So click on it. It will take us to channel settings. So on in this your channel settings, this place now, this second one, this one at the center is for your profile, and this one now, this place I'm pointing at is for your YouTube banner. This is the place you are going to upload the banner you have designed. So now let's upload. Click on this camera lens or camera eyes here that I circled. Click on it, then it will bring out take a photo. Choose from your photos. So for this video now, we are going to choose from our photos. Then click on choose from photos. It will take us to where our images are or where our pictures are. Okay, so look for the design. Look for the design and click on it. Then what you do now is to shrink it. Shrink it so that it can enter this white place and also enter this rectangle box. Now click on save and wait for the banner or the image to change. This is our new channel banner. You can see it now. Okay, everything is showing, both the picture and the text are showing. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.